Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.37 trillion. We're up 3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40%. BTC dominance is a little off on CoinGecko, but to be exact, as of recording this video, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. But if we are looking at the overall markets, guys, we're seeing some major green across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. And in the last 7 days, you guys can see majority of the altcoins are up double digits, and Solana is going absolutely nuts, guys. It's up 85.4% in just the last 7 days. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to cover Solana, and I'll bring you guys just that. But overall, markets are looking beautiful. But today I want to cover none other than Vechain, because Vechain is doing some very interesting things. As you guys can see, Vechain is currently trading at 14.5 cents. We're up 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative in the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is still at that top 20th spot. Market cap right now is $9.75 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting below $1 billion, and we're currently sitting at $915.2 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, you guys can see we're still up 814% in just the last 1 year alone, and in the last 30 days, guys, we're up 70.2%. So everything is looking very nice for Vechain, in my personal opinion. But today I want to share some very massive news that came out of Vechain, and this is as reported by China News. PwC, which is one of the Vechain's partner in the China International Fair for Trade and Services, has officially announced that the Air Trace is powered by Vechain. It will serve PwC's clients for traceability solutions. We are proud to support this major initiative. Absolutely insane, guys. I've been saying this for the longest time. If you are a viewer on my channel, if you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know how much of a believer I am in Vechain, because, guys, aside from the investment aspect to it, Vechain actually has a working product, which I always like sharing with you guys and reminding you guys, it's just not an ordinary coin that people are just investing in to earn some gain off of in the future. It is a project that is bringing mass adoption to this new space, this revolutionary space, which is a cryptocurrency space, and a lot of institutional investors are starting to accept it as an asset class. And projects like Vechain are the ones that are going to shine, that are bringing mass adoption, because they are working with some of the biggest organizations in the world already. Just to name a few, if this is your first time, Walmart is one of them. Walmart China, Starbucks, H&M, BMW, and the list goes on and on. And this goes to show where this blockchain industry is really going. But if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now, guys, you guys can see we are back. We are back in this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, and I have been mentioning to you guys how important this level really is for Vechain, because once we break this level, break above this level of resistance, guys, which is at this 15.5 cents mark, we're still unable to break above here. One thing that we do need for Vechain to happen is we need more buying pressure to kick in. Right now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, that we are sitting below $1 billion. So the buying pressure is kind of not on our side right now, but I would not be surprised as BTC dominance decline and altcoins start to, outperform Bitcoin, I would not be surprised if we break above this level of resistance. You may be asking, why is this level of resistance really important? Because this level of resistance has been playing out very crucially. As you guys can see, after this initial Elon news that we saw happen earlier this year, when he came out and said he will no longer be accepting Bitcoin, along with the China FUD, we saw this market crash happen. And then we did see Vechain try to have some sort of recovery, and we were unable to break above this level of resistance. And this time around, I believe it is going to happen, because the last time we were above this level, guys, was May 19th, right before this major price correction that we did see over the past 2 to 3 months, where we saw altcoins consolidate. But I believe this is the start to the next leg up, and some of the altcoins are very, very close to newer all-time highs, or some have already touched newer all-time highs. So you guys get the picture as to what is happening within the cryptocurrency markets as of now. And you guys can see this level of support really, when it was the level of support, it did play out very importantly. So you guys get the picture how important this level really is. And once we break past this level of resistance, guys, at this 15.5 cents mark, then I believe, we are off to the races. Because if we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, from the all-time high, which was set on April 17th of this year, we are down about, as of recording this video, 48.84%, guys. And you guys get the picture as to how fast the markets really do start moving up when they really do coil up. And I would not be surprised for us to get back into this 38.2 and onwards very, very fast as we break out of this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. So far so good. One thing that we want as Vechain holders right now is we want more buying pressure to kick in. That's definitely something we do need for us to get things rolling, and basically get the ball rolling, and then we will start talking about newer highs. So as of now, my still next target right now is for Vechain to break above this level of resistance, and that would mean we would need about roughly about 8.5% move towards the upside for us to be able to reach this target. And everyone wants to hear this every day. A lot of people are coming out, and especially the Vechain community, it's the $1 price target is such a psychological price point. Everyone wants Vechain to hit $1. And as a matter of fact, you guys know, especially my regular viewers that have been with me since the day one of my channel, when I was covering Vechain literally at its absolute bottom. And I still strongly believe that we do have everything it takes for us to reach that dollar mark. Let me put that into perspective. So right now, guys, you guys can see, our market cap right now is basically $10 billion. So in order for Vechain to hit, so in order for Vechain to hit about $1, we would need a circulation supply. The market cap to be roughly around that $70 billion mark. So that basically initially means that we need Vechain to hit a 7x from its current price point. Is that possible? Very, very high likelihood of that happening, because let me share some personal thoughts with you guys. A lot of analysts are calling that this is going to be, the start of the parabolic bull cycle that we did see back in 2017. And, if you are an OG crypto investor, let's say you were here back in 2014, 17, and you saw these bull cycles happen, you know exactly what goes on when the markets really do start to move up very, very fast. Markets move up super, super fast, and projects like Vechain are going to be the ones that a lot of people have eyes on, because at the end of the day, you do need to have a project that has, a lot of eyes on, a lot of hype on, and Vechain by far is one of the projects. And obviously TikTok is bringing a lot of hype. TikTok is another social media platform that is on the rise, and a lot of people are talking about cryptocurrencies on there, and Vechain keeps on getting mentioned. And aside from just that, marketing aspect to it, it has a working product, guys, and you would be surprised the sophisticated investors are accumulating behind the scenes. And long-term perspective, guys, yes, this bull cycle, I would not be surprised if markets really do start moving up very, very fast for VeChain to hit $1. But please keep this in mind. Especially, guys, especially if you are a new investor, markets can go up very, very fast. Price predictions could be specific price predictions. We could say, we could see VeChain go to $1. But at the end of the day, I always like reminding you guys this: we need to keep an eye on the king, and the king is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin runs the market. Now, you may be asking why. Because, guys, Bitcoin is the king, and literally every crypto asset except, stable coins are very much correlated with the Bitcoin price. So let's say if Bitcoin decides to have a correction, which it could anytime, no one knows. If someone comes up to you and tells you Bitcoin is not having no correction, and it's just going straight to the moon, I'm sorry to say that is a lie. That's very unrealistic, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is unregulated, and there are some big major whale accounts that can manipulate the Bitcoin price, which can cause the Bitcoin price to tumble towards the downside. What happens in that case, guys, for VeChain, Cardano, Solana, or any project that you can name, they are going to be negatively affected. So as soon as Bitcoin has, a market manipulation such as this, guys, or a price correction towards the downside, then everything gets invalidated. So please keep that in mind. So let's look at Bitcoin price right now. Bitcoin is above this $50,000 price point once again, guys. And if we reach 51,000, last time we were above this $51,000 price point, which we already did, guys. But last time we were above $51,000 was about around May 14th, so right before this initial price correction. And I have been saying on my channel that I do see Bitcoin hitting newer all-time highs before we do see an altcoin rally occur. But something very interesting is happening as we speak. Money is not flowing out of the cryptocurrency markets; it's staying in the markets. But guess what's happening to the BTC dominance index, guys? BTC dominance index is dropping very sharply, and this is why we are seeing altcoins outperforming the Bitcoin price over the last 7 days. And it's not coming as a surprise to me right now at all. In order for us to have the parabolic type of altcoin rally, I believe we do need to break below this 39.56% BTC dominance. Do I see that happening? You never know. You can never say never, but I don't know, something is telling me we are going to see Bitcoin start climbing back up, and start climbing towards this level of resistance at the 60K level. And that would definitely mean, if that happens, we could see Bitcoin dominance climb back towards the upside. And I believe once Bitcoin tops out and hits its newer all-time high, then we will see the altcoin rally occur. But you never know what can happen. But that is it for today's update guide. Guys, I still do believe that VeChain is going to break above this level of resistance very soon. We do need more buying pressure, so that's something to keep an eye out on. And please, guys, one thing before I want to end this video, especially to my viewers, because if you landed on my channel, guys, I care about each and every one of you guys, and I want you guys to maximize your growth potential in this market. So one advice that I can give you guys is, let's say we do have a massive breakout towards the upside this bull cycle in the next coming month. Please, guys, do not get greedy. One advice that can I give you guys, and trust me, guys, this advice will help you guys. You do not want to get greedy when it comes to investing, whether it's cryptocurrencies, stocks, whatever. You do not want to get greedy, because as fast as these markets can go up, guys, that's as fast as they can go down, because markets are manipulated. So you never want to get greedy. Let's say you are in for the long haul, yes, but if the profit that you are sitting at is too much that you cannot afford to lose, the best thing would be to scale out. And when the market does have a retracement, you can, reaccumulate into these altcoins that you like. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing, and what is your strategy right now for Vechain? Are you guys accumulating? What is your strategy? Let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to come join the Telegram group chat, guys. It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. And also let me know in the comment section below what other altcoins you want me to cover. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. And I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.